Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on AOL Mail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into AOL Mail. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to AOL.com. Here, tap Login or Join at the top right. You will be taken to the sign-in page. You can log in using your username, email address, or your mobile number. So, choose the one you are most comfortable with. I will be logging in with my AOL email address. So, enter your email address. Check the box next to Stay Signed In for an easier login next time. And tap Next. Now enter your password. And tap Next. And that's how you log into AOL Mail. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.